Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for our first winner tonight, the Institute of Marine Engineers of India, a premier body representing marine engineering professionals from India. May we request Mr. Rajiv Nair to join us on stage to receive this most coveted award. And he's been accompanied by Mr. Uday Purohit from the same company. Welcome, sir. Thank you so much. Congratulations, sir. Thank you.
Congratulations, sir. We would love to hear a few words from you.
Come on, guys, give them a hand.
Thank you very much. It's a privilege on behalf of the membership of Institute of Marine Engineers to receive this award. The Vice President Uday and myself, we thank Sailor today and the jury who found it fit to recognize the achievements of the Institute. And Uday.
Thank you again, the Sailor team. Awards only make us, compel us and propel us to serve the industry better. We've been serving the marine engineering fraternity for 35 years now. Once again, thank you very much.